Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be doing a time lapse to hopefully show you the automatic time reception or multi-band 6 atomic functionality on these different Casio G-Shock watches. Now the two that I have here that are square are basically the exact same watch. This is the GWM 5610U-1BCR. It's basically the inverted display model. This is the GWM 5610U-1CF. So it's got the traditional display. And then last but not least, my favorite G-Shock of all time, the GW9010. If you look at each of these watches, I've had trouble getting an atomic time signal. They're all set the same way. They all have Chicago as their home city. They are all set to automatically receive. But this automatic time reception is kind of tricky because there's different things that can come into play, weather being a big factor that can impact you not being able to get successful time signal. If I press the bottom left button on this one, I can see that the last time it successfully pulled a signal was on January 17th at 4:04 in the morning, which is almost 10 days ago. So I'm not sure how successful we will be. This model, again, today is the 26th. You press the bottom right on it. The last time it pulled a signal was not today, but yesterday at 12:05 a.m. So that one's fairly recent. And then this one, the last time it pulled a signal was at 4:08 a.m., again, 2 days ago. What's going to happen with these two square models is if we get a successful reception, we will see RCVD up at the top here, showing that for the given day, it was able to successfully pull a signal. This one's a little bit different. If we get a successful signal, we will see a G in the middle here, letting us know that. So let's do a time lapse. Let's see if we get a successful atomic pull. All right, so we got lucky. We had some good weather come in and we were able to get an atomic reception pull on every one of these watches. Let me take them off and we'll take a closer look at each one. You can see this one, the display is really hard to see here. Let me see if I can get you a better angle. But if you look at the top left, you can see RCVD. It received a successful pull. If I press the bottom right button, we got it at 12:03 on today's date, the 27th. I like this model better. It's much easier to see. Again, you can see the RCVD up there. If we do the same thing, 12:06, this one got it about 3 minutes later. And then again, the Mudman here, we've got the G in the middle, which at a glance tells us that we successfully received. Press the bottom right button, and we got that one at 12:04. Anyway, a really cool feature. That's what it looks like when you get the automatic time reception on your atomic multi-band 6 watches.